France launches Unmanned Combat Aircraft program to upgrade Rafale F5. French Minister of the Armed Forces and Veterans Affairs, Sébastien Lecornu, officially announced the launch of a new Unmanned Combat Aerial Vehicle, UCAV program. This program is designed to strengthen the combat capabilities of the Rafale F5 aircraft, which is scheduled to enter service after 2030. The announcement was made at a ceremony commemorating the 60th anniversary of the founding of the Forces Aériennes Stratégiques, FAS, or French Strategic Air Forces, at Saint-Dizier Air Base. The event was attended by dignitaries such as General Jérôme Bélanger, Chief of Staff of the French Air and Space Forces, AAE, and Éric Trappier, CEO of Dassault Aviation. In his remarks, Lecornu emphasized that the development of this stealth combat drone is a strategic step to ensure the technological and operational superiority of the French Air Force by 2033. This project not only strengthens national defense capabilities, but also affirms the independence of the French defense industry globally. The new unmanned combat drone is designed to complement the Rafale fighter jet in complex combat operations. The drone will operate alongside manned aircraft with a highly sophisticated and autonomous coordination system, while maintaining human control through a man-in-the-loop concept. With cutting-edge stealth technology, this UCAV will have an internal cargo bay to carry weapons and support a wide range of missions. The flexibility of its design allows it to adapt to rapidly evolving new threats on the modern battlefield. The development of this project also builds on the successful experience of the Neuron program, Europe's first stealth UCAV demonstrator project. The program was launched in 2003 and is managed by Dassault Aviation as part of an international collaboration. Since its maiden flight in December 2012, Neuron has completed more than 170 test flights. The program was deemed a success, meeting established performance, schedule, and budget targets. Building on Neuron's strong foundation, the new UCAV is expected to become an integral part of France's future combat system. The integration of the UCAV and the Rafale F5 will create a new generation of air power that is more efficient, flexible, and lethal. Lecornu also emphasized that this program symbolizes France's commitment to maintaining air sovereignty and strengthening long-term defense capabilities. Just as the legendary Mirage 4 aircraft once formed the backbone of France's nuclear strategy. The UCAV and the Rafale F5 are expected to carry on that legacy in the modern era. The Rafale itself is a twin-engine, multi-role fighter with a Delta Canard design developed by Dassault Aviation. This aircraft is known for its omni-role capabilities, meaning it can carry out various missions, including air dominance, ground attack, reconnaissance, and strategic nuclear missions. The Rafale F5 standard, scheduled to enter service in 2030, will significantly enhance the French Air Force's combat capabilities. This aircraft was developed to counter conventional threats while maintaining nuclear deterrence amidst changing global geopolitics.